Today, we're going to be putting in a new lower grille on our 2006 Ford Mustang. Ours came without a grille. We bought it and we ordered this on the internet. We'll have a link for you in the description. And we're just going to slide this on. It goes this way. Looks kind of weird, but it's the way it goes. And you line up your pins in the holes. I usually start with the top, so that way you hear it pop in. There you go. And you'll hear it pop in. Once you do, the rest of it should slide in pretty good. There you go. And then these two go in like that. And that's how you do it. So take your time and start with the corners and put those two in. See if you can line these up and then put these two in. And that's the easiest way to get this bottom grille in. To make sure you have it in, you can check behind the grille and see if you have the pins in and they're showing through. If they are, then you have it in correctly. When you're going behind the grille and checking to make sure that these clips are in, just remember that the second one doesn't have a top clip, okay? When you put that in, so it's gonna look like this because there's no top clip here. That's the way it comes from the factory, so don't worry about it. And then go behind and you can double check and make sure that all the bottom clips are in and the two top clips are in. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.